Tonight I'm going to be making a salad. It started off as a Mediterranean salad and then I transformed it into my own type of salad. First, what we're going to start is I'm going to cook the quinoa. Then in the meantime, I'm going to chop up some parsley. I have a lot of parsley here, but I think I'm just going to make one bunch of parsley. 1 or 2 bunches of parsley. I'm going to wash them and chop them up while the quinoa is cooking. Okay, I only have it's about 1/4 of a cup. 1/4 of a cup of quinoa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 1/4 that I have of quinoa, I'm going to put 1/2 cup of water. I'm not going to add salt or anything to it. Okay. So now we're just going to let that cook, and in the meantime, like I said, I'm going to wash the parsley and chop it. Okay, I'm going to use 2 bunches of parsley. It's the ruffle leaf parsley. Instead of 1 bunch, I'm going to put 2. Okay, I cooked the quinoa for about 10 minutes. It's already ready. I put like 1/4 of quinoa and about 1/2 cup of water. And I waited till it just consumed all the water. Cooked it there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, and now it's ready. So now we put it to the side. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna put it in something else so it'll cool faster. Okay, I use like 3/4 of the white onion. So now we have 30 cherry tomatoes. You can put as many as you like, but I'm gonna put 30. I'm gonna cut them in half and then just throw them inside the salad. Okay, so here they are, the 30 cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can add regular tomatoes. Just cut them up like small, like in about that size in cubes, like about that size, cube size. And you can use any type of tomato. Okay, so now we add the quinoa. It's already room temperature. We add it to the rest of the ingredients. And we drizzle some olive oil there. Pretty generous. Put some lemon juice, real lemon juice. I rather use this one than squeezed lemons. This does just the same function as a real regular lemon. And be pretty generous with this as well. Now we add pepper. Okay. Okay, so we add pepper to this. and salt. Not too much salt. If you taste it and it needs salt, more salt, then you can add, but don't add too much salt at once. And this salad doesn't taste the way it should taste without the salt, believe it or not. The salt is one of the key ingredients, just like the lemon juice. Okay, so now for my touch, for my special touch, I add cilantro leaves. I'm gonna add 2 bunches of them. 2 bunches of cilantro. Okay, so I already washed the cilantro and I chopped it. Now we're gonna add it. I'm gonna add it to the salad. This is an ingredient that the Mediterranean salad does not take, but it's my own version of the salad, so I added it, and it adds a really good taste, something different. Okay, and now another thing that I add to it, sliced almond. The sliced almond, a bunch of them. Okay, I would say that's maybe half a cup. Half a cup, I would say. More or less. I just wing it. So now we mix everything together. It's a very healthy salad. And it tastes delicious. You can eat it with anything. Tonight, I'm going to eat it with a rotisserie chicken. I bought a rotisserie chicken already baked. And that's what I'm going to eat it with. So, I think I'm going to add some more. Yes, absolutely. I'm going to add more olive oil to this. I'm going to add more lemon juice. And maybe a little bit more pepper. Okay. So more of the olive oil. More of the lemon juice. I like to see like really wet when I stir it, and you can see the mixture of the liquids really moist. You see, that's a good consistency. You see that all the salad is covered in the liquid. And it's incredible, but this tastes better like the next day and the day after that. It tastes better than the first day that you make it. It's not incredible. I guess the lemon and the olive oil, they concentrate and they soaked into the tomatoes. And it enhances the flavor even more the second and third day. I used to buy this salad already made. When I first tried it, the tabule it doesn't include the cilantro, of course, or the almonds, or the quinoa. Tabule is usually made with couscous. But I remember the first time I tried it, I bought it from our local grocery store. They sold it already made. And I bought it and I fell in love with it. And then every time I would buy it every week. And then one day they jacked up the price like a lot, like for about $1 something. And I said, forget it, I'm not gonna buy this anymore. And then I started looking online and I saw the recipe and I started making it myself. And with the years, I started adding things on my own. Okay, I'm also gonna add cranberries to the salad. It gives it like a sweet taste, gives it a nice little kick, sweet kick. Cranberries, maybe like a quarter cup or half a cup. And also, if you have any kind of nuts, I know I put almonds, but I have the salted caramel flavor trail mix. I'm gonna put some too. It has peanuts and it has yogurt covered something or other. It has cashews and it has a whole bunch of different ones. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of this as well. It has this chocolate cover, but I'm not gonna add that. And I think these are like some kind of chips. We're gonna add those too. Okay, these we're not gonna add. The chocolate ones we're not gonna add. Okay, I think that should be good. Let's try this. And like I said, the next day, this salad is even better. I just wish I would have had more couscous. I'm sorry, more quinoa to put in it. But that's what I had. It usually takes more, maybe like a cup or a cup and a half. Okay, so there we go. It's finished. I hope you try it. And I'm sure if you're into eating healthy, you're gonna love it. Okay, thank you for watching. And please join me in my other videos. Thank you. Goodbye.